Okay, in order to make a new key for this all keys lost for this Mercedes, we have to remove the electronic ignition switch, which is the EIS, this piece here. To remove that, we have to take apart these panels here. I already removed most of it. I'm just gonna show you how to remove it step by step, so you know where to get to screw wise and everything. All right, our goal is to remove these EIS. First thing what you need to do is get make sure you have your parking brake on right here, because we won't be able to move this thing here, the shifter. We have to pull that shifter down so everything will be moved. And then to remove that, pop this off. This just have a couple tabs here. Pop it off. Then this trim here will pop off too. You just pull that here. Well, actually you can pull this up, then pull that up. Let's see, I'm not gonna pull the whole thing out, but and you will need a puncher or something so you can move this down even you have a brake on. That's why you need the parking brake engage. If you look down here, you can see it, that black piece right there. All right, let me get a flashlight for you guys so you can see it. Let's see what we have. There you go. So you can see clearly there's a little level there, a lever to release the lock. Okay, there you go. Can you see that one? That black piece right here. There you go. You're gonna push that down. See that? Once you push that down, you will be able to move the shifter. I'm going to do it again. There you go. See that? Once that push down, that is already out of the gear. That's why you have and you need your parking brake on. Then once that's out, you gotta remove this ashtray kind of thing. I believe there's something goes here in the side. You pop that out. This one is kind of broken, but you pop this out. Let me see. Okay, because there's a tab here, right here. That's a tab. That's a tab down that prevents it, and that's out. So once that's out, you go open this compartment. There will be two 10mm bolts right there. See it? There will be a mat that goes here, and you pull that out, and then you'll see those two. So that's already out. See those two? Remove them. So that's keep this whole panel held down, and then you have to remove these center this panel here. There will be, you have to remove these vents first. I'm gonna show you. You have to lift this vent up that way, and you will see underneath there will be a screw. Show you. One there. See that? There's torque, and two over there. So 1, 2. And you will need a, what is this? This is T20. I believe it's T20. So mine is already out. Once that you unscrew it, that will pop out. You'll be able to pop it. Let's see. There you go. See that? That's it. They're inside. They're sticking out in the back right there. There you go. So that's what's hold that and that one. And then you'll be able to pull these. So when you pull this, that will come out as well. That's kind of loose. So just pull that out. There's only 2 screws that hold it. And from the back side here, this is kind of coming out. That's the only one who clips it. This one. So one that's out. And then you will have to remove these. Navigation, it has 1, 2, 3, 4. So I got one here. Well, I remove every single screw. As you can see, it's right there on the floor. I got them out already. I don't know why I put this back on, but just to show you. So once you pull this out, let's see. Okay, that's out. Now you will be able to pull it. There you go. You can disconnect it. I'm just gonna leave it hanging there. And then to remove this panel, there will be a screw here. One. Show you. And mine is already out. I got one here, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then you could remove the other side, but this one is on the right side. That's all you need. 1, 2, 3, and then on the bottom of your foot panel, I got this already out, which they have a couple screws. One here, and then 2 here, and 3 here, and then there will be another one there. Then you could pop this trim on the side and pop this panel again on the side right there, and there will be a screw here, that one, and there you have to remove these pieces. To remove that, there will be a little clip here and to the other side of that, so you can put your hand here and push it out. Actually, before you remove that, there will be another screw under here that holds that up. So I would suggest you to put the your shifter back to park. Then when you release this, see, there will be another screw underneath that holds it. I'll show you. Right under there. Where is it? Can you see it? Let me see. Right there. Not sure if you can see it. Let me get you a good view. Underneath there. Let me see. But there's one underneath there. Underneath here, and I will show you once you pop this out. So press this clip, and then the other side too. You will feel it. Okay, that one is out. As you can see right there, that's the screw behind this level, release level for parking, emergency brake. Once that out, you have another screw here and here, and you'll be able to release these down. You pull it downwards, not pulling towards you, because there will be a clip there, right there. That clip holds it down. Same thing on the other side, right here. You pull it down. I can put my finger here. You hand it. You can yank it down. Let me see. Actually, before you yank it down, you can, because these are loose, this has to pull back a little bit. On this location, there will be something holding it. So once everything is out here, you can just, let's see, pull the whole piece. I could probably grab it on the back. There you go. See that? I can pull it. You lift it and then disconnect it there, and that's out. And then I'm just going to pull some more. There you go. There you go. This can, oh, there's another Allen here that holds it. See if you can see that one right there. This one here, I'm not sure what size is that, but you could remove that one, this one piece here, and that will come out. I didn't have to remove that. I just pull it and reach these, and there will be two connectors that holding it, and they will be able to remove it. And that's it. Then we're gonna start programming key.